So let's talk about a recent package from Chosfox, which includes the Chosfox and Kale Arctic Fox clicky switches, as well as the Chosfox and JWICK Voyager Tactile. You do not understand how many takes it took for me to say that. But today in this video, we're going to be looking at the tactiles first, and if you want to learn more, you can check the link below. These 50-cent CJ-esque looking and similar packaging blue boys supposedly don't have any spring relief ping, which is something I'm really looking forward to testing. These are a 62-gram double-staged PC top, nylon bottom, palm stem, factory lubed, hyper tactile switch, similar to the Zykos, Neapolitans, and Holy Pandas. And just bear with me because I know that's not a Holy Panda. As for using these for Frankenswitching, if you decide to use Texie style or boba tops, you may run into an issue where the switch doesn't actuate, but these stems do fit cherry and milky tops. Smoothness-wise is something that's not really talked about for these hyper tactile switches, since there's no pre-travel and like a hair of post-travel, as the entire feel of the switch is the bump and reset. It's very responsive thanks to the double stage spring, and honestly, I kind of like it. There is an ever so slight bit of scratch, but again, due to the overall nature of these switches, negligible. I'll grab a few different quote-unquote hyper tactiles and we can take a listen to how the Voyagers stack up. For compared to these, I think the Voyagers are slightly lighter sounding. Feel-wise, they're pretty much all the same, super sharp. But like, I hate saying this about the Voyagers, but they sound more like tinier, probably due to how JWICK manufactured them, but I'm not entirely sure. And listening to a few of these switches in terms of factory lubing, it's a pretty decent coat. But in some of my switches, I do have some leaf and spring ping from where the factory lubing is a little bit light. Overall, I would say the sound profile is a bit thin and not super full sounding, but you can be the judge of that as your mileage may vary. I would say if you're in the market for another hyper tactile switch and want something that's pretty decent out of the box, maybe give these a look. That's all I got for you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below and have a good one. Thanks. Bye.